How to hide who you follow on X Twitter. First things first is open up your X Twitter application and make sure that you log into your account. Now you should be able to see your profile picture at the top left portion of your screen. Simply tap on that and scroll all the way down until you find settings and support. You see a drop down and head into settings and privacy. Scroll on a bit and then just head straight into privacy and safety and then audience and tagging. So you'll only be seeing two options here, like protect your post or protect your videos. Under protect your post is only for the current followers and people you approve in the future and will be able to see your post. Once you have it turned on, all of the followers that you have from X Twitter will not be able to know who you are following with by clicking on that followers icon, but your post will still be visible. And that's it. That is how you hide who you follow on X Twitter.